What we have to do, or we don't have to do it, but we should do it. We pulled this engine out of the Pikes Peak. We think it's probably
should be good.
Should be good. We turned it over. The turbocharger spins somewhat freely.
Mind you, we got that car non-running.
But we did get it non-running. Yeah, and there was no dash. There's no interior. The wiring harness looked about like this
yep.
from the start. But if we're going to rebuild it anyways or keep it in our inventory, we got to get it upstairs.
Take it apart and add it to the other 4 engines we have up there.
And it's just too damn heavy. Yeah. Yeah, and one more chance to get all of these parts sorted by car.
Yep. Cool.
Is there anything else we need to look at on the suspension? Well, like for the walk around or anything else?
You just got to look up some stuff, take some measurements quick, and you'll be good.
Yeah, because even these, right? These are the 88s, but they use the turbo. These are not normally on 944.
They're late offset.
Yeah.
This car is late offset.
But these aren't
no,
normally on the 944. That's like on the Boxster, right?
Yeah, those are, what are those, Cup 2s or something?
I thought they were like the twists.
Those are turbo twists.
Yeah. And so, but these also have different wheel diameters or depths.
Yeah, offsets. Yeah.
And offset.
Yeah.
Well, different offsets from the early models, but also deeper than the early models. Right. And they don't match. The front ones are thinner, right? So.
And that's not mounted. That's just placed there.
Right. Quick disconnect.
Yeah. Right. Quick disconnect. Yep.
So when I was designing the wheels for the other car, we took the stock wheel off, built a 2-inch spacer, which is a ridiculous spacer, but we built a 2-inch spacer. So when we mounted this particular offset back up, we would have the right width to match the new bodywork, so we can put in the deeper wheels and tires and subtract the 2 offsets so we wouldn't have to run a spacer. So that's why the new wheels are what they are. Now for Pikes Peak, we can't use the center locks that John made over at Soul, so we're going to go back to a conventional 5-lug, but it's still going to be on an 18-inch wheel with a 10-inch depth in the front, 9-inch depth. 9-inch depth in the front, 10-inch depth in the back. I hope I said that right. All right, so as long as we're good for the suspension, then we can go back to tearing up the stock 951 turbo and see if we can salvage a few parts for some of the other engines that are laying around here.
All the fun stuff. This still has the wiring on it and everything. Huh?
Yeah, that came off easy. So also the goal today is, like I said, every time we take a part off, I'll run it upstairs and we'll lay it out so we can do an ultimate kind of inventory.
Sounds good to me, bro.
All right. You know where the new tools are?
If Cooper didn't leave them all in the other car.
That's right.
Yeah, let's look at how not to run a shop.
Since Dave's the shop manager and Coop's our mechanic, I think it's Dave's responsibility to explain what happened.
Don't get me wrong, Cooper's been a busy man, but he left his work zone a mess. So when we need these tools, I'm going to be running around the shop, can't find them, I'll have to come over here. Tools, when you're done, go back in the cabinet.
And Cooper was supposed to be here today, but he got in trouble because what did he not do? He didn't do his homework.
Schoolwork from being sick.
So he's grounded today. We got the 911, we got the client's
Cooper's
car.
life is falling apart.
Yeah, everything could have got, Pikes Peak essentially rides on if Cooper made it today, and unfortunately he did not. So that's on record. That's on record.
Yeah, he should feel bad, very bad. He's probably at home.
And lesson to the kids. Do your homework.
Yeah.
Or you miss Pikes Peak.
Or you missed the good stuff.
You missed the good stuff. All right.
All right, see, now I got to go find a tool that Cooper probably left over here. Ah, Cooper. Eric, you know what I'm tired of?
What?
Winter. Like, it was cool, like the first snowstorm.
Yep.
And now I'm pretty much ready for spring. Let's go have fun. Dean can wear his short shorts now and impress all the ladies. Cooper, I have all your tools now.
There's, how many engines are out?
Yeah. Well,
One's at the machine shop. There's a 968 here, a 951 here, and you're on the next one.
Nice.
So there's 3 in-house, 1 out.
What was the ETA on those pistons?
Pistons are being made custom by Wassner. 4 to 6 week lead time. Should be any day now.
Nice.
Here's the worst part. The transmission, Audi 01E, has a 20-week lead time.
Because he makes them per order.
Because he makes them per order. So that's a little bit of a bummer because.
What company was that again?
Huh? Lob, L-O-B-B?
Yeah. That looked like a pretty good kit.
Yeah, out of England. And then that England transmission and kit is going to get probably sent over to Canada, where we got a gear guy who's going to get it set up, maybe also limited slip.
Yep, definitely.
Yep, and you know, the right ratios and everything for what we need. And so between shipping it between England and then to Canada and then to here in Connecticut, it's going to take some time.
I was looking at a bunch of stuff for that transmission, dude, and it's a pretty robust transmission.
Yeah.
And it's like based off the 951 transmission.
Yeah.
Just beefier.
Beefier.
Yeah.
And the guy, I guess a shout out to what, F2 Iceland?
Yep.
He's gotten over 900 horsepower on it.
Yeah, he's got some serious rigs over there, man.
Yeah. So thank God he's not in America and trying to go up Pikes Peak because we'd be in a lot of trouble against him.
He could still go off Pikes Peak, but not be in America.
Right. Well, I just mean if he was our competition,
We'd be screwed.
we'd be screwed. So that's why I'm so happy Iceland's far away.
He's got a sick-ass car.
Yeah.
I think he's running a LS engine.
Yeah,
with a turbo or something.
I'm pretty sure.
Did he say how much horsepower he's making?
Well, that's why I think he's tight with Lob. I hope that's how they say it. Otherwise, Lob sounds kind of stupid.
I don't know how many other ways you pronounce L-O-B-B.
Lobe.
Lob, whatever. I'm sorry you understand what we're talking about. We still love you if we're pronouncing it wrong.
Yeah. He's just got to just call us Lobe.
We're
Lob.
the stupid Americans.
Yeah. Does it help if you say it with an English accent?
Probably just sounds more professional.
So why did okay, so no, I was just trying to explain. Yeah, we got to, so even if the transmission comes in the exact 20 weeks, we'd have 2 weeks to put it in and get it all tuned up. But the kit says it's a weekend job.
I like how you're always making me do the impossible.
Yeah.
Hey, you've never done this before. I need it installed as fast as you can.
Yes.
And by the way, it's for a race car.
Yes.
So it has to work really well.
Yes.
Okay,
Otherwise,
cool.
we look stupid on a global stage if we don't already.
So, like, I want to just say this on video.
I don't like this already.
Typically, Pikes Peak racers, they build a car, they test it, maybe do some time attacks, figure out what's going to break, what works, how to set it up. Eric's decided to skip all those steps and just build a race car and put it up Pikes Peak. So
we don't have the luxury of anything else.
It's going to be pretty scary. So, anybody that's like, you guys are crazy, yes, we are.
Oh, and I also...
But that's what makes it fun.
I also wrote to Haltech so we can get our ECU going. That's going to be a thing because we need to also learn how to tune it. But what's making it even more complicated is we have to put their throttle position sensor in, or any, I guess, aftermarket one that's a little bit more easy to come by.
Yeah, you could set them up. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's going to go into the throttle body that also doesn't exist yet.
Oh, yeah. Well, I would order their sensor so you can CAD it into your throttle body.
Yeah.
Eric's custom throttle body.
Right? Yeah, that's right. Which I don't know if we'll actually make it onto the car because we'll probably, just for time's sake,
use something off the shelf.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes sense.
Which is a good reminder for the video. We'll, at this point, edit in some CAD that shows the airflow, since I did that last week.
You're supposed to point like up here in the arrows, you know?
Yeah, that's a good idea. It'll be right next to me. It'll be just walking with me.
Yeah.
Can the editor do that? Yeah.
Come on, Shop Dog Productions, they can do anything.
Dean just uploaded his first video today. He's at least 12. He's up to 2.
He's at least 12.
All right, what do you need for real? Do you need anything?
In terms of time.
Okay, just time.
Time, sockets, and tools. I took everything that Cooper had over there.
So we're kind of, in my mind, I'm doing this for the quote community because I don't know if there's a really good video out there of a disassembled full engine, and we'll see how fast Dave can knock it out. This could be a part 1, or
Listen,
it could be.
You can't time me.
How many engines you take apart now? 50?
52.
52. That's not bad.
Most of them were all yours.
Oh yeah, that's right. 49 of them are all mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
how many came back?
Only one of them I blew up.
Yeah. The only one you blew up was the running one.
Yeah, exactly.
Another good lesson, you can't blow up an engine that's already broken.
All right, why are we missing so many sockets, Cooper?
Cooper.
We have to have a discussion on things again. This is our socket drawer. Look at how many sockets are missing compared to Eric didn't put his tools back.
Hey, this
If
is
you
my
haven't
place.
noticed, it's a pet peeve of mine. Put your tools back so everybody knows where they are.
Do we
And I
want to
don't know
dive?
where-
Do we want to dive into the story why these tools are here? Because our good
You
friend
can if you want.
Bob. Where's Bob? We're waiting on Bob. So this car right here, I don't even want to put a name to it, but had a busted starter, was slowly dying. Bob needed the lift, so I take it out one more time, and then the starter died officially outside, so I had to reinstall a brand new starter just to drive it back into the shop. So that will stay until it's finished, but these are my tools that I didn't finish putting back. So Dave, today I'll be your assistant. It's official.
Yeah?
I'm cleaning up all the
We don't
tools.
have Cooper.
Yeah. So I've taken the role of Cooper.
Do you remember what it was like to be grounded?
No.
I don't think that's happened to me in a long time.
All he's eating is water and rice.
Water and rice.
He's not a
POW.
POW. He's just grounded.
He did a pretty good job with the window regulator stuff.
Okay. Couple points there.
He just has to finish it. That would help if you finish your work, Cooper. But in his defense, that was a nightmare job. Anything involving convertibles and windows is not a fan favorite.
So I'm learning now people just get shamed if they're not here during the filming.
Yeah, pretty much.
Do your homework.
Do your homework. That's what matters.
That's what matters. I think he's on drugs too.
We could do like a 1980s
Yeah.
drug commercial. This is your brain. This is your brain on drugs. Eric, is there I think it's either 19 or 21 wrench over there?
I got a 21.
Let's try that. I'm pretty sure it's 19 though.
Oh, I got a 19 then.
Oh, even better.
This is why we're running out of tools.
No, wrench.
Wrench? Oh, a 19 wrench? Did you say wrench?
I did. Yeah.
Okay. Well, then I
You
didn't
can play
hear.
it back if you want. We don't have an awesome sponsor yet
Yeah.
that wants to be on every YouTube video with me, a master ASE technician, talking about how great your tools are.
When
Maybe
Dave
one
says
day.
they're good, they're good.
Maybe one day we'll get a sponsor for that.
Whose turbo is that?
This is out of that car. Oh, K26, KKK, K26-6 actually. It's a small turbo havoc. Yeah, it's a 26. You got Allen sockets over there?
Yeah, I should have them.
Look at now you're covering your trace. Look at I better put all these away.
Yeah.
You already got caught red-handed.
I don't want this to be the reason this engine doesn't make it upstairs tonight.
Oh, I don't make it upstairs.
How's your? Why don't you talk about your little side project?
I haven't done anything yet. I just have
Okay.
the
You stole a good
2.7
engine though.
block stripped down. Right now, I'm looking at the oil pumps.
Okay. Oh, right. Yeah.
And I wanted to check that 968 one because the early pumps
Uh-huh.
aren't as good as the late pumps.
That's probably always the case, right? A later.
I guess it kind of depends on what's going on, but
Okay.
the late ones are better at high RPM
I
flow
see.
and stuff.
Okay.
But there's some modifications you could do to them, all that happy horse shit, you know.
Now, where's that engine going?
Eventually, it'll go into my car.
Okay.
I'm gonna rock the 2. It's like a slow, long-term project.
All right.
I'm rocking my 2.5 with like 400 horsepower.
Yep.
The 2.7 I got, believe it or not, the block only has 60,000 miles on it,
Unbelievable.
and I paid $400 plus a cam tower head. By the
Okay.
way, you can't have that cam tower
Well, I guess not.
because it's gone.
Where's my head gasket from our good friend?
I have that. It's in my basement. I got to give that to you.
I was gonna say you could have kept it, but the way we were going through head gaskets.
I can't use it anyways because it's the wrong size bore.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think you can either. Well, you can
On
for
one
your
of these.
2.5, yeah.
Yeah, on one of these.
So we'll have motors being built all over the place.
So we have our 2-year project already. The car. Just go out to Saudi Arabia and race the Baja.
Oh my God, bro, that's crazy.
There's a 944 doing it right now.
Is there?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have John race the Baja?
Might have to.
Nice.
I mean, these are the problems we're facing.
Dean's
Yeah.
very good with foreign relations.
I looked up real quick. It's like, yeah, you might be able to get there for $500,000. I was like,
oh wow.
maybe.
Okay.
Well, that's why we need 2 years.
We need some more sponsors. Like
Yeah.
ASAP.
But I'm like, no more projects. We got to barely make it to Pikes.
let's finish one of your crazy ideas first.
If they even accept us. And we find out if they accept us, I don't know, about 4 weeks from now, because the deadline's right around the end of January to us, for me to convince them that we can do this.
What happens if you can't?
Well, then
You just lose money, or do they get mad?
I don't know,
Like, how many times can you try? As many as you can afford?
probably, yeah.